Alright, here we go. Right here in Brooklyn, New York. Guess who me just run into? Me, Tina Olivet Smelly. Remington Steely.
Yes,
sing the song and show them, and you sing the song there.
Oh,
you see,
God.
just give me a little piece so them know who you is. Because if you can't play with the talent when we say talent,
Sure.
and you big up a big man thing you're going with a long time. You just come to a regular for the parkway and drink up a couple of juice and just relax and walk home. But guess what?
Yeah.
Me catch you off guard, but me have you.
Right
so see me now. Make them know who do the thing now. Because you do the thing.
Well, I can tell you now, all of the girls them, cause hey, are your first prize, I am on first choice. I want all the girls them come
over,
shut
come
up,
on, come on,
well,
Let's hold this.
all of my top girls make them fret. I don't know you and your man now left. You have them choice, get first prize. Shop one check out, girl, you ready? You are the wife. Wife first prize.
Big star from Jamaica, him sing that song there. Big star, and a little star, a big star, them man here. All my talk, you make them fret. I don't know, say, yeah, your man now left. I even sing it, I him the writer, so. The big man thing we are there with, see it. Right in Brooklyn, New York, writer, so. I'm glad for him, he's a nice guy.
Yes,
see there?
You are doing it right now, you know.
What do you think of me, I do it, baby?
You are doing it, man.
What me not do, baby, I be myself.
Okay. Just last night, me and Brigadier Jerry mash up Pony Island, or mash up Praise.
Right.
Right now, are the real thing I go get.
Yes, baby.
A long time I don't know true, so. Here one now.
Yeah, man.
And then where you go, you can't hold up your head. And then where you go, you can't hold up your head. And then where you go, you can't hold up your head. And then where you look, muggle uptown and downtown there. All the girls scream at and ball. Muggle uptown, downtown on there. All the girls bubble up. You look good, then you look good for that. Me say for you, my heart desire. You be able to look, I shall check far. Without me loving and with heart.
Breeze up and come down, big man thing. I him around the place. Right as Brooklyn, I know some go get some studio time. But I know some my thing me have to do it. You know me not gonna stop. Me not stop putting my foot until me step on something. Cause a long time from me 10 years old, me want to do that. See it, I know my heart kind of free, my hand kind of free. You see it, my son turn big man now. So them money me I hook up with, and John know me upon it soon as possible. Because me gonna bring you some nasty things. Because you know, to we look good and we black, we come from Jamaica. We eat enough banana, yum, dumpling and all them things there. Make your body strong and nice and sexy, you see it? In a New York City, you come and lose your culture. Still boil the banana and make a tin mackerel. You see it, baby? So see it, I'm glad to talk to you. And all this, come for hug up a friend. So see it, yeah? I'm here the big man thing this. I'm going to go in the studio, I'm going to start do a thing.
We're going to do
a thing. Do the thing, see it? We're going to do the thing, see it?
We're going to do the thing.
The thing, not the thing, but we're
going to do the damn thing.
Right, singing, when we music, okay? Big star from Jamaica, big up, alright, baby? Glad to meet you and stay in touch because members say we're on it. Black, white, pan rice. We're going to say what? Thank you, Jesus Christ. See there?
Oh, out and bad.
Out and bad.